Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to use the archiving rack inside the EW113 Soundbooth. To start with, we're going to look at our patch bay. Our patch bay consists of different jack sockets. Our top row is our outputs from our rack equipment such as our vinyl player or our tape player, and our bottom row are inputs to our audio interface. To make use of our rack equipment, simply take some of the patch leads from the spare sockets on the right hand side of the patch bay. Next, using the cables, patch the output of a device you wish to use into the archiving input as shown here. In this example, I'm patching in the vinyl player. Each piece of rack equipment will need two jack leads, one for left and one for right. So now that these are patched in, I'm going to start playing my record. Now we can see quite a healthy signal at the moment. If we needed to apply more gain, we can do this on the front panel of the audio interface. So now I'm going to jump into my Pro Tools session and I'm just going to leave the record playing in the background for this example. So in our edit window, I'm going to create two new tracks. I'm going to create one new stereo audio track and one stereo master fader. So now these have been created, I'm just going to quickly rename my scribble strip. So I'm going to switch over to our mix window here. And in our mix window, I'm going to go to our input path selector and choose archiving rack. So now if I input monitor this track, we can see our vinyl record being played and coming through nice and healthily. So now let's record a little bit. Just going to zoom out on our waveform here. So once you're done, you can stop recording and make sure you save your work in an appropriate place and be sure to create a backup where necessary.